I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set in motion. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. 'Cause the bigger they are, the harder they fall. You build your fortress and I'll climb your walls. You got your armor, but I see your flaws. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Bigger they are, harder they fall.
With my love, that heart is so cold, all over my arm. I don't wanna know that, babe. When a fake bitch want you, and your girl can't do nothing for you. These hoes ain't loyal. These hoes ain't loyal. Just got rich. I ain't a broke guy's bitch, but I can make a broke guy rich. But I don't fuck with broke bitches. Got me some dude with some fake pretty. I took him just to stay with me. Eyes closed, smoking marijuana, rolling up that pipe. Molly, I'm a rock star. I wanna do drugs, oh, smoke weed, get drunk. You wanna be with that bitch. You wanna fuck all the ratchets. When a fake bitch want you, and your girl can't do nothing for you. These hoes ain't loyal. No, these hoes ain't loyal. hotel door. I don't even know if he knows what for. He was crying on my shoulder. I already told you, trust and respect is what we do this for. And I never intended to be next, but you didn't need to take her to bed, that's all. And I never saw it as a threat until you disappeared with her to have sex, of course. It's not like we were both on tour. We were staying on the same fucking hotel floor. And all this time, God knows I'm singing la, 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 la.
Are you sure about that?
ربش بيك لله نادي لك سوسو يا ابني عبد الله اختار القلب عروسه ربش بيك لله نادي لك سوسو يا ابني عبد الله اختار القلب عروسه اختار القلب عروسه ليلة عرسك بالحضاره 7 ايام و7 ليالي ليلة عرسك بالحضاره 7 ايام و7 ليالي وانت هالمصراره قمره في العلالي وانت يا المصراره قمره في العلالي كاينك نواره شيكيت جبل العالي شيكيت جبل العالي هي بين قلبي واحساسي حكاية حبك ديما فوق نشرب كاسي ونتفكر هالريمة بين قلبي واحساسي حكاية حبك ديما فوق نشرب كاسي ونتفكر هالريمة وحدي براسي لا من نشكي بحالي وحدي براسي لا من نشكي بحالي ياخدوني يا ناسي ياخدوني يا ناسي وهاتوا لي غزالي
راس جدودك يا نوار ملقى عن شور الشرشار راس جدودك يا نوار ملقى عن شور الشرشار ملقى عن شور الشرشارة
They told me if I pay for class, I can pay for more. Like a piece of paper, I can barely afford. Oh, you got a degree, can't afford, and be happy is free. So I bought the course, let me tell you how they keep us in chains, right? Keep us in chains, paying so much that we're paying for pain. I can't even pay for a plane, we're stuck on this plane. They're leaving us nothing to gain, like go get a job and go work for the main. And I still can't afford shit, I can barely afford chips. Sally Mae is a whore bitch, and I know it's important, I know it's important. So why do I dream about money and Porsches? Money and Porsches, they're making me feel like I'm less of important, less of important. If I don't have cash or a crib in New Orleans, crib in New Orleans. And still I wonder what it's like to have money to blow and spend all my cash while I travel the globe and buying a chain that is dripping in gold. I never will let them acquire my soul. I know what we were told was a lie. See, the money don't come with the day that we die, so I focus on hoping the growth of my mind. You can buy everything, you can never buy time. It's weak.
Sometimes I wish I had that money to blow, money to blow. So many places in the world I never been, but I wanna go. It's so unfair how we only got one life to live, yeah. Sometimes I wish I had that money to blow, money to blow.
They tell us that we need the money, but I think it's funny how people just fall in the trap. I say I'm one of the greatest, they say it's opinion, I say that it's one of the facts. I'ma go ham, leave niggas like damn, I don't really think I want it with that. Who am I kidding? My bank account like a fashion show to wear, be filling with rags. Yeah. Keep filling it up, keep filling it up. I said it before, I'm living it up. Cause where I'm from, you could get killed for $1. Any day I get from here is a plus. Travel the world, am I living enough? When half the year I live in a truck, I look on my face like I don't give a fuck. Oh yeah, cause things just ain't the same. Can't take this image and put it in a frame, oh no, oh no. But this is all I know.
Sometimes I wish I had that money to blow, money to blow. There's so many places in the world I never been, but I wanna go. It's so unfair how we only got one life to live, yeah. Sometimes I wish I had that money to blow, money to blow, money to blow. So many places in the world I never been, but I wanna go. It's so unfair how we only got one life to live, yeah. Sometimes I wish I had that money to blow, money to blow.
Except I'm never around. They need me in the air, you need me on the ground. You know I'm chasing bright lights at the speed of sound, so I'm chasing the impossible. I need you more now. And I know wild horses couldn't drag us even an inch, but now I'm like a leaf in the wind, leaving again. I just wanna save us from this shitty town. You feel like I let you down, now we disagreeing again. Damn, this is to make the heart grow fonder. Guess the misery of missing me was stronger. And you always told me you weren't bothered. I wish you were a little more honest. Damn.
I see you watch me as my heart hits the ground. I beg you for a reason, but you won't make the sound. Do you know what this feels like? Know what this feels like? I swear I won't do this again.
I wish this wasn't real, I wish it was a nightmare. And I open my eyes to find that you are right here. Every time that I try to push aside that I care about you and I, it's only foolish pride, cause inside I wanna die here. Trying not to cry tears, but the miles and the minutes, they feel like light years. What if you found happiness without me? My mind feeling emptiness with my fears. I know what you and I share. I know this shit was real and there's something still inside there. Try not to feel all the memories, all the dreams that we never built. Damn, this just can't be real. But I hear you saying,
I see you watch me as my heart hits the ground. I beg you for a reason, but you won't make the sound. Do you know what this feels like? Know what this feels like? I swear I won't do this again. 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 I swear I won't do this again.
yeah, and I hear you say,
I see you watch me as my heart hits